Yeah, welcome to Soil Ecology and Management course. Again, this is Soil Ecology and Management, SIE 3016. I hope by the end of this course, uh, all my students will be able to first identify major soil types, functions, and soil interactions with microorganisms and vegetations. Secondly, discuss the relationship between plants and soil organisms from the perspective of energy and nutrient transfer. And thirdly, I want you guys to explain nutrient transformation in microbial food webs found in the soil, sediments, rhizosphere, and waste treatment, including constructed wetlands and compost. So again, before we start, what is soil? Soil is a unique entity. It has its origins in physicals, chemicals, and biological interactions between the parent materials and the atmosphere. The simplest definition of soils follow the most common understanding, such as the upper layer of earth, which can be dug or plowed, and in which plants grow. This is the Webster New Universal and Abridged Dictionary. Okay, so the soil scientists define it as define soil as a natural body synthesized in a profile form from a variable mixture of broken and weathered minerals and decaying organic matters, which covers the earth in a thin layer and which supplies, when containing the proper amounts of air and water, mechanical support, and in part sustenance for plants. This definition recognizes the soil has a vertical structure, is composed of a variety of materials, and has a biological nature as well. So it is derived in part from decaying organic matter. Nevertheless, uncertainties emerge when more descriptive definitions are attempted. How deep is soil, or when is non-soil encountered? If is water is considered as part of soil. Working definitions of soil depths range from 1 meter to many meters depending on the ecosystems and the nature of the investigations. Are barren, rocky areas excluded if they do not allow growth of higher plants? Uh, some considered the substratum of a lake as a benthic soil. So when do simple sediments become soil? When they can grow support for plant growth, only after biological, physical, and chemical interactions convert sediments into an organized profile. So this is the questions about what is soil. So I hope by this course we will start to continue to understand, and try to explain this concept to you. So bear in mind, what is soil? So therefore, soil ecology. Okay. Uh, what is it? Do it here. Okay, sorry. So therefore, soil ecology emphasizes the interdisciplinary nature of studies in ecology as well as soils. So considerable niche overlaps exist between the two disciplines of ecology and also soil science. Ecology, which is heavily organism oriented, is concerned with all forms of life in relation to their environment. Soil science, on the other hand, contains several other aspects uh, in addition to soil biology, such as soil genesis and classification, soil physics, and soil chemistry. So I will not touch in details about soil science. You can take this in uh, other courses like in the geology or something like that. But I will focus more on soil ecology. So a broader view of ecology like me will ask, how do the systems of soil ecology work? From that perspective, ecology and soil science share the similar objectives. I hope that this course will interest a new generation of ecologists and soil scientists like you uh, to understand more on soil ecology, where the interface between biology, ecology, and physics of soil systems will be discussed.